The pyramids of Egypt have captivated humanity for millennia. These ancient structures, rising majestically from the sands, have been the subject of countless studies, theories, and legends. They stand as silent sentinels in the desert, testaments to a glorious past. Their imposing presence evokes a sense of wonder and mystery, drawing visitors from around the world. These colossal structures are not merely tombs, but complex feats of engineering and architecture. Each stone, meticulously placed, tells a story of human ingenuity and determination. They reflect the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient Egyptians, a civilization that dared to touch the heavens. The hieroglyphs, etched into their walls, offer glimpses into the lives and beliefs of a people long gone. The most famous pyramids, of course, are those at Giza. These monumental structures have stood the test of time, weathering the elements and standing as a testament to human achievement. These towering structures, built as tombs for pharaohs, have become iconic symbols of ancient Egypt. They represent the zenith of pyramid construction, showcasing the peak of ancient Egyptian architectural prowess. Their sheer scale is awe-inspiring even today. Standing at the base of these giants, one cannot help but feel a sense of humility and admiration for the ancient builders. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Its construction remains a marvel, with theories still debated by scholars and historians. But the pyramids are more than just impressive structures. They are gateways to understanding the ancient world, offering insights into the culture, religion, and daily life of the Egyptians. They are repositories of ancient knowledge and belief. The artifacts found within their chambers provide a tangible connection to the past, revealing the sophistication and complexity of ancient Egyptian society. Their construction involved advanced mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies demonstrates a deep understanding of the cosmos. The precision with which they were built is astonishing, even by modern standards. Each stone was cut and placed with incredible accuracy, reflecting a level of craftsmanship that continues to impress. Join me as we delve into the mysteries of Egypt's pyramids, exploring their history, construction, and the people who built them. We will journey through time, uncovering the secrets that have fascinated humanity for centuries. We will uncover the secrets of these ancient wonders and examine the theories that continue to surround them. From the methods used in their construction to the symbolic meanings behind their design, we will explore every facet of these magnificent monuments. The pyramids were built during a specific period of ancient Egyptian history known as the Old Kingdom, around 2686 to 2181 BCE. This era is often referred to as the Age of the Pyramids, due to the monumental structures that were erected during this time. The Old Kingdom is the third of the traditional divisions of ancient Egyptian history, following the early dynastic period and preceding the first intermediate period. This era marked a high point in Egyptian civilization, characterized by strong central authority, economic prosperity, and remarkable cultural achievements. The pharaohs, considered divine rulers, wielded immense power and resources, enabling them to mobilize the workforce and materials needed for such grand projects. The centralized government ensured that resources were efficiently allocated and the economy thrived, allowing for the construction of these awe-inspiring monuments. The idea of pyramid building evolved over time. Early pharaohs were buried in simpler structures called mastabas. These flat-roofed rectangular tombs were the precursors to the more complex pyramid designs. Mastabas were constructed using mud bricks and later stone, and they featured underground burial chambers. Over time, the desire to create more grandiose and enduring monuments led to the development of the pyramid shape. These rectangular tombs eventually gave way to stepped pyramids, such as the Pyramid of Djoser at Saqqara. The step pyramid, designed by the architect Imhotep, was a revolutionary structure that marked a significant departure from the traditional mastaba. It consisted of 6 stacked mastabas of decreasing size, creating a stepped appearance. This innovative design not only served as a tomb, but also as a symbol of the pharaoh's divine status and a stairway to the heavens. The step pyramid was a significant architectural development, representing a stairway to the heavens. It was believed that the pharaoh's soul would ascend to the afterlife via this celestial staircase. The construction of the step pyramid set the stage for future pyramid designs, showcasing the Egyptians' advanced understanding of engineering and their ability to execute large-scale projects. The culmination of pyramid building was reached with the construction of the Giza pyramids. These iconic structures, built during the 4th dynasty, are among the most famous and enduring symbols of ancient Egypt. The Giza Plateau became the site of the 3 largest and most well-known pyramids, each serving as a monumental tomb for a pharaoh. These pyramids, with their smooth, sloping sides, represent the epitome of pyramid design. The smooth sides were intended to help the pharaoh's soul ascend to the heavens and join the gods. The precision and scale of these constructions are a testament to the Egyptians' architectural prowess and their dedication to honoring their rulers. They were built by the pharaohs Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, each pyramid a testament to the power and ambition of its builder. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, also known as the Pyramid of Cheops, is the largest and most famous of the 3. Khafre's pyramid, slightly smaller, is often recognized by the Great Sphinx that stands guard nearby. Menkaure's pyramid, the smallest of the 3, still impresses with its grandeur and the quality of its construction. The construction of pyramids was a massive undertaking, requiring the labor of thousands of skilled workers. Contrary to popular belief, these workers were not slaves but rather a well-organized workforce that included skilled laborers, artisans, and engineers. They lived in nearby workers' villages and were provided with food, shelter, and medical care. The organization and logistics involved in pyramid construction were remarkable, reflecting the advanced administrative capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. It was also a religious endeavor, deeply intertwined with the Egyptians' beliefs about the afterlife. The pyramids were designed to ensure the pharaoh's safe passage to the afterlife and to house the necessary provisions for their journey. Religious rituals and ceremonies were conducted to consecrate the pyramids and to honor the gods, reinforcing the spiritual significance of these monumental structures. The pyramids were not just tombs, they were gateways to eternity. The walls of the burial chambers and passageways were adorned with hieroglyphics and intricate carvings depicting scenes from the pharaoh's life and religious texts. These inscriptions were meant to guide the pharaoh's soul through the afterlife and to ensure their immortality. The pyramids stand as enduring symbols of the ancient Egyptians' profound belief in the afterlife and their quest for eternal life. The construction of the pyramids required an immense quantity of materials, primarily stone. The core of the pyramids was built with huge blocks of limestone, quarried from nearby sites. The exterior casing, which gave the pyramids their smooth, white appearance, was made of finer quality limestone, transported from Tura across the Nile. The transportation of these massive stone blocks was a logistical challenge. The ancient Egyptians used a combination of sledges, rollers, and boats to move the stones. The Nile River played a crucial role in this process, providing a waterway for transporting the heavier stones. Once at the construction site, the stones were carefully lifted and placed into position. This was accomplished using a system of ramps, levers, and rollers. The precision with which the stones were fitted together is remarkable, with only a thin layer of mortar used between them. The sourcing and transportation of materials for the pyramids demonstrate the organizational skills and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians. They were masters of logistics, able to mobilize vast resources and manpower to achieve their ambitious goals. Section 4. Building Giants, Methods and Theories. The construction of the Egyptian pyramids has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and engineers for centuries. These monumental structures, standing tall against the sands of time, are a testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient civilizations. The exact methods used to construct the pyramids have been the subject of much debate and speculation. Scholars have proposed various theories, each attempting to unravel the mystery of how these colossal structures were built with the limited technology available at the time. While we have a good understanding of the materials used and the overall process, some details remain unclear. The ancient Egyptians utilized locally sourced limestone, granite, and other materials, shaping them with copper tools and employing a workforce that included skilled laborers and conscripted workers. One enduring theory involves the use of massive ramps to haul the heavy stone blocks to the upper levels of the pyramids. These ramps, which could be straight, zigzagging, or circular, would have provided the necessary incline to move the stones upward. These ramps, possibly made of earth or brick, would have been built around the pyramid as it grew, allowing workers to drag the stones upward. The construction of these ramps would have required careful planning and coordination, ensuring that they were sturdy enough to support the weight of the massive stone blocks. Another theory suggests the use of internal ramps built within the pyramid itself. This innovative approach would have involved constructing a spiraling ramp inside the pyramid, allowing workers to transport the stones to higher levels without the need for external structures. These ramps would have been dismantled once construction was complete, leaving no visible trace. This theory is supported by some archaeological evidence, including the discovery of internal chambers and passages that may have been part of the ramp system. This theory could explain how the Egyptians managed to lift stones to such great heights. The internal ramp system would have provided a more efficient and controlled method for transporting the heavy blocks, reducing the risk of accidents and structural damage. Some researchers believe that a combination of ramps, levers, rollers, and manpower was used. This multifaceted approach would have allowed the ancient builders to adapt to the challenges presented by the construction process, utilizing different techniques as needed. The Egyptians may have employed different techniques at different stages of construction, adapting their methods as the pyramids grew taller. This adaptability would have been crucial in overcoming the various obstacles encountered during the building process. Despite the ongoing debate, one thing is certain: the construction of the pyramids was a remarkable feat of engineering. The precision and scale of these structures continue to inspire awe and admiration, showcasing the advanced knowledge and skills of the ancient Egyptians. It required ingenuity, skill, and a deep understanding of mathematics and astronomy. The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies and the precise measurements used in their construction reflect a sophisticated grasp of these disciplines, further highlighting the achievements of this ancient civilization. Section 5. The Hands That Built Egypt, Workers and Their Lives. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Evidence suggests that the workforce was comprised of skilled laborers, artisans, and craftsmen who were paid for their work. These workers took pride in their craft and played a vital role in Egyptian society. The workers lived in temporary settlements near the construction sites. Archaeological excavations have revealed details about their daily lives, including their diet, clothing, and housing. The workers were organized into gangs and supervised by overseers. Life for these workers was undoubtedly difficult. The work was physically demanding and the desert conditions were harsh. However, they were also well-fed and cared for, receiving medical attention when needed. The construction of the pyramids was a massive social undertaking, bringing together people from all over Egypt. It fostered a sense of national identity and purpose as workers contributed to a project that would outlive them all. Section 6. Ancient Ingenuity, Tools, and Technologies. The construction of the pyramids would not have been possible without the use of advanced tools and technologies. The ancient Egyptians were skilled mathematicians, astronomers, and engineers. They developed innovative techniques for quarrying, transporting, and lifting massive stone blocks. Among the tools used were copper chisels and saws for cutting stone, wooden mallets and levers for moving blocks, and plumb bobs and measuring ropes for ensuring accuracy. The Egyptians also developed a system of ramps and rollers to move the heavy stones, reducing friction and making the task easier. Their knowledge of astronomy was also crucial. The pyramids were precisely aligned with the cardinal points, demonstrating their understanding of celestial movements. This knowledge was not only used for pyramid construction, but also for agriculture and navigation. The construction of the pyramids is a testament to the ingenuity and technological prowess of the ancient Egyptians. They were able to achieve remarkable feats of engineering with limited resources, relying on their intelligence, skill, and determination.